Good morning, it's time for March's completed work demos. This one is number 283. It is a walnut concert scale banjo uke. Pretty standard for what we do. The neck is made out of 3 pieces of walnut and 2 pieces of pistachio. We got our walnut block rim, pistachio fretboard and decoration and headplate. This instrument is the first one from a very special wood stash. I have a friend whose father is a retired cabinet maker and woodworker, and for 50 years he collected and stored and carefully took care of a beautiful stash of wood. So I've gotten access to that stash, and there'll be a lot of instruments coming out over the next few years from that, both banjos, banjo ukes, and regular ukes. I guess his nickname was Carpenter Ant, so we're going to call that stash the Carpenter Ant stash. First one from that stash. It's a pleasure to have access to such a carefully curated group of wood, and happy to turn it into instruments. Yeah, it feels good. By the way, if some of you have asked why some necks have 3 pieces of walnut and some just have 2, it depends on what the original wood piece is like. If it's 1.5 inches thick, then I can make a 2-piece neck. If it's smaller, then I need to go smaller. And sometimes I like the look of one or the other. So this particular board is what we call the 4/4 walnut board. That means it's about 1 inch thick. And so I could use 3 slices of it to make the neck with pistachio in between, and the rim segments can be laid out with the same dimension of wood. So there you go, 283.